Guys, don't leave any money on the table. Do you know that as a forex trader, you can earn money from 7 different sources, even more than 7? But in this video, I am going to show you how you can earn money from 7 different sources within the forex industry. Don't just restrict yourself to trading and trading alone. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, I really appreciate you for coming. Here we release valuable content that can help you to advance your forex trading. Click on the subscribe button and be a part of the community. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. It's because of you that I create this valuable content. Let's go to the screen right now and I will show you how you can make money from 7 different sources. In fact, you can have 7 streams of income as a forex trader. Even as a beginner, you can get up to 2 to 3 of these sources of income, so that the day you are not trading, something is coming into your account. First, an independent forex trader. This is what we all do. The reason for learning how to trade is so that you can trade for yourself. If you have enough capital, you can open account with a reputable broker, fund your account and stay in your closet and trade. There's nobody that is going to question you what you are doing, as far as you have learned the skills and you have mastered the game. That is a very valuable way to earn income as an independent trader, with your own money, making your own rules and being there for yourself. Then you can also be a trader for a prop firm. Now, the prop firm industry has come to stay. Before now, it was only the investment banks that used to have a department that was called the proprietary department that was trading some funds for clients. But today you have prop firm industries all over, although there are many fraudulent prop firms all over the place. But you can be a prop firm manager. You can partner with some brokers and set up a prop firm. And if you cannot do that, you can also look for prop firms, reputable ones, and get a funded account for them. Like if you check the link of this video, I've dropped a link to a prop firm that I use personally. You can get a pre-funded account already. And if you want to go through the pre-trial stage, you can also do that. You can earn money as an educationist or a trainer. If you have mastered the skill of trading, I do not see any reason why you should not teach other people how to trade. And now there are opportunities. You can do YouTube videos the way we are doing it and post online. Some people used to ask this question: if you are making money from trading, then why are you doing videos? Someone like Elon Musk, does he have to build new companies? But he has different companies he is building. Mark Zuckerberg is there creating new products, adding to his income source. So why would you as a forex trader and not do videos? If you are good, if you can teach, you can create a channel. It's good for you. If you want, you can even document your trading history on YouTube. And then if you are good and you want to develop a course which will take you considerable amount of effort, you can also do that. Just like you have the Weldds Forex Academy today, we launched that. It is one of the best forex education out there, based on the comments we've been getting from people who had bought other courses and have come to take the Weldds Forex Academy. If you want to join the Weldds Forex Academy, you can see that link. The point I want to make here is that you can make money as an educationist. You can teach people either offline or online, and you can make money. Another way you can earn money in the forex industry, if you have gained enough experience, is to become a forex business consultant. In 2023, when the new administration came into Nigeria, more than 100 companies have shut down operation. And then there are many reputable multinational companies that left the country. And the reason they left the country is because the exchange rate was affecting their business activity. If you are somebody who has authority in forex trading and people are having problem with their business, you can tell them how to hedge the risk. In our academy, I taught people how hedge funds protect multinationals by hedging risk, and you can learn how to hedge risks for companies like Dangote company. I gave an example of Dangote company that imports sugar from outside, and if the exchange rate fluctuates so high, it's going to affect the profit margin. So as a forex consultant, companies can pay you handsomely to advise them on what to do to mitigate the risks they are experiencing. So you can also become a portfolio stroke fund manager. If you have traded your own account and you are making money, and maybe you do not have enough capital in thousands of dollars or millions of dollars, nothing stops you from going out there to get people to manage their funds. If you are going to trade for other people, make sure that they did not give you their cash for you to trade. You can set up a trading account for them, let them know the risks about trading, and let them be willing to control everything about the trade while you only manage the trades for them and share the profit. And in some countries, before you do this kind of thing, you have to register with the government. Make sure you research what it takes for you to be a fund stroke portfolio manager and organize the entire business model in a way that is not going to affect you and it's not going to affect the owners of those funds. The big boys in this industry do not trade their own money. They are trading funds for others, and you can also do it. It is possible. The next way you can earn money in the forex market is by setting up a brokerage company. Nigeria is one of the countries where the regulations are not that high. There are many brokerage companies in Nigeria currently. If you have the capacity to do it, you can do it. It might surprise you to know that some of the brokers you are trading under are not real brokers. They are white label brokers. Now, white label brokers are brokers that work as a sub brokerage company. So you can go to a reputable brokerage company, maybe outside Nigeria, and get them to register your business under their platform, and you operate through them. You know, there are intricacies for doing this, and you need to understand this business model before you go in. And since not everybody can set up a brokerage company, it's going to involve a lot of capital and it's going to involve a lot of technical knowledge. You can also work as an introducing broker. The introducing brokers are also called IBs, and they are affiliates to the brokers. If you are trading with a good broker and the broker is doing well, nothing stops you from talking to your friends about it. If they are looking for brokerage companies to use, you can tell them about the one you are using. And if they are ready to sign up with that broker, you give them your affiliate link. If you check the description of this video, I dropped my IB link for Hantec Markets. I have been trading with Hantec for some time and they've been doing well. I am just an IB. So if you want to open a trading account, you can open through my link. And so with these points, I want to re-emphasize that think of creative ways that you can make money from various sources of income, so you are not going to stress too much your trading account. If you want to join the Weldds Forex Academy, send me a message today. You will see a WhatsApp link and a phone number. Click there and send me a message, and we will see you in the academy.